society, women occupies a vital position and a venerable place, but their glorification was totally suppressed and subjugated in this patriarchal society. Police records in India show a high incidence of crimes against the women. Official statistics show a dramatic increase in the number of crimes against the women. Here we can see the dramatic increase in the number of crimes against the women in that bar graph. Recent crimes against the women. Nirbhaya incident. On December 16, Nirbhaya, a 23-year-old physiotherapy trainee, has been gang raped on a moving bus in New Delhi. Abhaya incident. An incident similar to that Nirbhaya took place in Hyderabad on October 22nd. There are many such cases, out of which only a few come into light, but there are still many cases which are being subjugated. Health effects of the woman. Health of the woman is totally reduced, which cause ecological imbalance. Acid throwing, chain snatching, eve teasing, sexual harassment, torture, rape affect the woman's life totally. Aim. To avoid this violence against women, we proposed a new approach of a device called Nirbhaya device. The main aim of our project is to build a device that produces a high voltage electricity. Scientific principle: conversion of direct current into alternative current. Materials used for construction: power supply circuit, storage battery, transformer, transistor, diodes, capacitors, male plugs, gloves and switch, copper plates and wires, soldering gun and LED. Construction and working of Nirbhaya device. Construct an electronic circuit with diodes, capacitors, transistor, step-up transformer, switch and pressing button. AC mains are connected to the AC capacitors and diodes which rectify it. Connect the positive and negative terminals of the rechargeable battery to the transistor and the step-up transformer. This circuit is composed of power supply stage, oscillator stage and voltage booster stage. Power supply stage. AC is directly stepped down using the AC capacitors and diodes which rectify it. This rectified voltage is used for charging the rechargeable battery. When the battery gets fully charged, it just needs to be switched on for the required function. The switched on voltage from the battery is sent to the next oscillator stage. Oscillator stage. It consists of a transistor and a transformer. This transistor switches on and off rapidly to create rising and falling of voltage for the transformer to step up. Voltage booster stage. In this voltage booster stage, this thousands of volts is stored in the AC capacitors. When we switch on this device, the thousands of volts from the AC capacitors is passed through two terminals. When these terminals are touched to a stranger, it discharges its high voltage into the body. Advantages of this Nirbhaya device are: it is steady and easy to carry. Crime rates against the woman could be reduced. It is less in weight. It is a non-pollutant device. Conclusion: this device